Hi, I am Vivekanand. Watch a wild adult male Asian elephant enjoy walking through a lake in Sri Lanka. I recorded the video on safari at Yala National Park in southeast Sri Lanka. Elephants are among the most intelligent animals. As it walks through water, it constantly sniffs the air to smell the environment and check for food opportunities. Its motion through the water causes noticeable waves. The Asian elephant is one of only three living species of elephants in the world, the others being the African bush elephant and African forest elephant. It frequently inhabits grasslands, evergreen forests, deciduous forests, and thorn forests. They are herbivorous, eating up to about 150 kilograms or 330 pounds of vegetation per day. Cows and calves form groups, while males remain solitary or form bachelor groups with other males. During the breeding season, males will temporarily join female groups to mate. This elephant joins up with another adult male elephant. These two males are part of a bachelor group. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button and do subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.